Kumentri rangba kajalau Conrad ke Samla kesengi sajan ulalet ban hiar hidalade ban let pet ya kecing tua ke kenro ke bakere ke jaka bayeng ke yeng darbar thawan kajalla. Karkum kajing itu jong u kate ke kenro ke de ke belarimba batkum tau loong ba kajing tua jong ka kanom don jing kta satya ya kajing pentrai ya ke yeng darbar bathamai jong kajalla.
So there was some reports regarding some collapse of the retaining wall here in the Assembly Secretariat, in the new Assembly complex. So I have come here today to look at this. I got a call yesterday from the Honorable Speaker, and he had asked me to also look into the matter. And after doing my preliminary investigation and findings along with the PWD, I have been informed that number one, this particular retaining wall has nothing to do with the main construction building that's going on. In fact, we have been told that it's impossible to reach that location from here. It's very far away down in the sloping side, that side. Number one, so therefore it is it is not at all connected with this building construction. It's a completely different project going on, which is quite away from here, number one. Number two, it is also being implemented by the Assembly Secretariat. It's not implemented by the PWD. Number three, this particular retaining wall was made about a couple of years back, quite long time back. And number four, that the reason why this has gone down is because of the landslides that have taken place. And the landslides and different kind of maybe reasons are there because of which this particular situation has happened. But I want to clarify at the end that it has nothing to do with the construction of the building, and it will in no way impact the construction of the building. Thank you.